Buying a car online at auction is easy. Search. Visit the Manheim website to search for a car or set up an alert for when your dream vehicle gets listed. You can view our auction events as well as our online catalogues, which include information and images for each car. Inspect. When buying online, you can review our vehicle listings, which include images and condition reports for each vehicle. Our condition reports include a visual grade, which is a visual assessment of its interior and exterior condition. However, it is not a mechanical or electrical assessment. If you would like to inspect vehicles in person before the auction, you can check them out at Manheim locations from Monday to Friday. Visit the website for more details. Register. To get started online, register on the Manheim website to create your account. You will need an email address, an Australian driver's license or a passport, and preferably a mobile phone number. Once you confirm your details and log in, the next step before you can bid is to enter your valid credit card details. Please note, we only charge a deposit on your credit card if you are successful at auction. Once completed, you're all set to bid on any public auction or bid now sale on our website. Bid. For our live auctions, you can use our simulcast system to watch the auction on your phone or computer and bid on and buy vehicles in real time. On simulcast, it is just like being at the auction, so you can be part of the live auction and bid and buy with the click of a button. Another way to buy online is to participate in our timed Bid Now online auctions. You can bid in real time or even preset your maximum bid before the auction closes, and the system bids for you automatically, up to your maximum price. If you are the highest bidder when the auction closes, the purchase will be yours. Our buyer dashboard will also allow you to easily keep track of all vehicles you are bidding on and your sales history. Purchase. If your bid wins in a simulcast or bid now auction, a deposit will be automatically charged using your selected payment method. You can then pay the balance of your invoice using the payment portal on our website. Pick up. Once you've paid and we've received clear funds, you can pick up your car. We can also arrange transport at extra cost for added convenience. Just make sure your car is collected within 48 hours of the auction.